Welcome to the ReqLLM Agent tutorial. This is our first module where we're going to look at the most basic API for ReqLLM, the generate text method, and dig into how to call this method and the response that it provides from our LLM provider, and set the foundation for how we will then build this into a tool calling loop in further steps. So let's take a look at our script. We source our .environment files that pulls in our API keys. We then default to the Anthropic Claude Haiku 4.5 model, a very capable but inexpensive model to do our testing with. And then we make a call to ReqLLM generate text, passing first the model string, the model spec, and then our prompt as a string. Explain why Elixir is great in one sentence. And we wait for the response. Generate text is a blocking call that waits, makes the API call, and then will respond with this OK tuple showing a successful response. And then we use this Response.text helper method to grab the text from that response and print it to the console. Now I've inserted a couple of IEx.pry steps in here so we can take a look at the shape of these response objects. So let's take a look. Mix run, tutorial agents 01. All of this code will be available in the ReqLLM open source repository on GitHub. Take a look there if you want to follow along. So it makes the call and then pauses after the call has returned, allowing us to take a look at the shape of this response object. The response object has a whole bunch of stuff in it, starting with a unique ID, the model that was called, Claude Haiku 4.5, and then provider metadata, whether there was an error, our finish reason, which will come in useful later, a extra map of usage information that came and is normalized from the LLM providers, streaming, which again will be useful in future modules and content, and then the message response. So this is what the LLM actually provided in response. And then this right here is our full context. The context object is special because it builds up the entire thread of system messages, user messages, and assistant messages that make up that back and forth conversation between the user and the agent. We'll just hit continue, and then you can see that our answer is printed to the console. That Elixir is great because it combines functional programming paradigm with the rock-solid Erlang runtime, etc., etc. And that's it. That's how you make your first LLM call using ReqLLM.